Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between a loan and a line of credit. Both are popular borrowing options offered by financial institutions, but they differ significantly in terms of access to funds, repayment structure, flexibility, interest calculation, and usage. Understanding these differences can help individuals and businesses choose the most suitable financing option for their needs. Let's begin. Number 1. A loan is a lump sum amount borrowed for a specific purpose, whereas a line of credit is a pre-approved borrowing limit that can be used as needed. Number 2. In a loan, the borrower receives the entire amount up front, whereas in a line of credit, the borrower accesses only the amount required at a particular time. Number 3. A loan is usually repaid through fixed monthly installments, whereas a line of credit offers flexible repayment options. Number 4. A loan generally has a fixed repayment term, whereas a line of credit often operates on a revolving basis with no fixed repayment period. Number 5. Interest on a loan is charged on the total loan amount, whereas interest on a line of credit is charged only on the amount actually used. Number 6. Loans commonly have fixed interest rates, whereas lines of credit usually have variable interest rates. Number 7. In a loan, the full approved amount is considered utilized immediately, whereas in a line of credit, utilization depends on how much money is drawn. Number 8. A loan is typically used for a specific purpose such as purchasing a house or vehicle, whereas a line of credit can be used for multiple ongoing financial needs. Number 9. Loan funds are generally disbursed only once, whereas funds from a line of credit can be withdrawn multiple times. Number 10. A loan becomes less flexible once it is approved and disbursed, whereas a line of credit provides high flexibility in borrowing and repayment. Number 11. Loan payments usually consist of fixed principal and interest amounts, whereas a line of credit may only require a minimum payment while allowing flexible repayment of the remaining balance. Number 12. Consistent loan repayments can positively impact a credit score, whereas excessive utilization of a line of credit may negatively affect the credit score. Number 13. Loan approval is generally based on income, credit score, and the purpose of borrowing, whereas line of credit approval focuses more on overall creditworthiness and financial stability. Number 14. Loans may include processing fees and prepayment penalties, whereas lines of credit may involve annual maintenance fees, inactivity fees, or cash advance charges. Number 15. Loans are best suited for large planned expenses with a clear repayment schedule, whereas lines of credit are ideal for ongoing expenses, cash flow management, and emergency funding needs. To summarize, a loan provides a fixed amount of money with structured repayments and predictable costs. On the other hand, a line of credit offers greater flexibility by allowing borrowers to access funds whenever needed and pay interest only on the amount used. Choosing between the two depends on your financial goals, borrowing needs, and repayment preferences. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.